How to hide rows and columns in Google Sheet. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can hide the rows and columns in your Google Sheet. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Google Sheet. And here, in case you would like to hide the column number C, all you have to do is click onto the column number, right-click onto it. You will see an option of Hide Column. Simply click onto it and column C has been hidden. And in order to unhide the C column, you will see B and D. If you click onto its arrow, you will be able to see the C column. Just like so, this is how you can one by one hide the column. In case you would like to hide the multiple columns, all you have to do is click onto the starting column, then click onto your Shift and right arrow key. Then as you select all 4 of these columns, right-click again and click on to Hide Columns. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.